Hey everybody, it's Jason, and I'm going to try to do a quick little cooking video here. What am I doing? This is just, actually I'm not even really cooking, I'm just building. One of the things I love to snack on is sourdough bread. I get this at Stop and Shop. This is their sourdough bread. I love it. It's got some, the ingredients are okay. There's no oil in it, like you would see in, junk bread, right? That you would get at the supermarket that has like soybean oil in it. There's no oil in this, okay? And I don't know much about the starter that they used to make this, but it's a great tasting sourdough. So what you do is, easy enough, we're just going to cut a slice of bread. We're going to cut a slice of bread like this. All right. Found this knife in a estate sale in the attic of the estate sale. It's by Russell Ironworks. This is out of Green River Works. Sorry. I think it's Wisconsin. I'll have to check, but maybe it is. Anyway, it's a great knife. Vintage chef knife. This thing stays sharp. So now what you're gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of butter, and I'm just gonna smear it on this piece of bread. Probably shouldn't be using this. Just get a regular butter knife. Just gonna smear some of this butter on here, and this is butter that I like to leave my butter out, covered in a nice dish. I leave it out, so if with a cover on it, so and this really works great, because the butter's always soft, and you can leave your butter out. You don't have to put it in the fridge, just leave it out. Covered, of course. And then what we're gonna do is I've slathered this with butter. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some herbe de Provence. This is a French mix called herbe de Provence, or herbs from Provence. There's so many great things in this: rosemary, garlic, lavender, thyme, parsley, tarragon, marjoram, basil, Savoy, sage, and chervil. It's Savory, savory, but I think it's Savoy. I think so. But I'm just going to take this and put it on there like that. That's it. And that's your snack. Oh, man. You just can't beat it. Like, are you going to eat this, or are you going to go cook a Hot Pocket, This is a lot healthier than eating a Hot Pocket, So just get your sourdough bread, get some butter. If it's late, you're going to snack on something, then snack on this. There's not that many ingredients in this thing. I got butter, I got this. The bread's got 8 ingredients in it, but I'm a big believer in number of ingredients in things you're eating. You need it to be low, because hey, you're eating like 1 or 2 things. You're not eating like processed foods, which has a ton of things. So I'm gonna say goodbye, eat and enjoy.